app. So I'm David. I already made an account, so let's speed this up a little bit. As you can see, I updated the user detail for starters to have the most recent upload and the most popular image with regards to comments, and yeah, both of those link to that specific image. The next thing you'll notice that I did was mentions. So whenever a user is mentioned on their user detail page, the list of photos that they've been mentioned in appear. So in this case, the little image links to that image, and you'll see right here I was mentioned, and it also has the owner of the image, and that links to that person's user detail page. So now let's get to the actual mention. You'll see that this is how they're rendered, and each mention is a link to that person's user detail page. So let's go back here and let's type out a new one. Hey, add array. Let's do array. And you'll see that whenever I click enter or post a comment, it appears right there. And again, it's a link to that person's user detail page. And so the way I render these in the backend, or sorry, the way I save them in the comment string is like this. This is the display name, and then this is the ID. And if someone for some reason figures this out, like this, the regex that I use and like the format, it won't really affect the database. It won't break anything because they would have to know an exact user ID for it to be rendered correctly and saved as a mention. So for example, like this would be valid, and it wouldn't break. It would just not be displayed the way that you would intend. But the point is that if you have like an invalid ID, nothing in this case breaks. And lastly, you'll see that I have likes, and it's a little heart that by default it'll be gray if you don't like the picture, or red if you already did, and you know, clicking on it toggles that, and it increments or decrements the number of likes. And let's change this order up. Whenever you render these images, whenever you refresh this page, you'll see the ordering change because they are ordered by likes first and then by date. And you'll see this went from 2 out of 2 to 1 out of 2 because now this one's first.